Did you know that there are over 40,000 varieties of rice worldwide? Yes, you heard it right. 40,000. From the vibrant and aromatic basmati to the sticky sushi rice, there's a type of rice for every palate and every meal. But no matter the variety, the foundation of any good rice dish is cooking the rice itself, and that's what we're here to explore today. First off, the most traditional method, cooking rice in a pot. Begin by measuring out the rice. A good rule of thumb is about 1/4 cup per person. Now rinse this under cold water until the water runs clear. This removes any excess starch and keeps the grains from sticking together. Next, add your rice to a pot and pour in water. The water to rice ratio is crucial here. A good starting point is 2 cups of water for every cup of rice. Place your pot on the stove, bring the water to a boil, then cover the pot and reduce the heat to low. Now patience is key. Let the rice simmer for about 18 minutes. After that, turn off the heat and leave the rice to rest for another 5 minutes. That's it, you've got yourself a pot of perfectly fluffy rice. Now if you're after convenience, a rice cooker can be your best friend. Just add your rinsed rice in the correct amount of water, and let the machine do its magic. It's a foolproof method that delivers consistent results every time. And for the microwave mavens out there, yes, you can cook rice in a microwave too. Combine your rinsed rice and water in a microwave-safe dish, cover it with a lid or a microwave-safe plate, and cook on high for 10 minutes, then on low for 15 minutes. Let it rest for a few minutes and voila, microwave rice is served. If you're in a hurry, a little trick is to pre-soak the rice. This can reduce the cooking time by about 20%. Just remember to adjust your water accordingly, as the rice will absorb some during soaking. In summary, cooking rice isn't just a process, it's an art. Whether you're using a pot, a rice cooker, or a microwave, remember these key points. Always rinse your rice, use the correct water-to-rice ratio, and let your rice rest after cooking. And don't forget, a little pre-soak can save you some time. So go forth and conquer the world of rice. Who knows, with over 40,000 varieties out there, you might just find a new favorite.